Hello there. Have you ever wondered what a GAN is? G stands for Generative A Adversarial Network. Two AI models competing with each other. One tries to create data and the other checks if it's real or fake. One wins, one loses, both improve. Example, we have a painter and a museum director. The museum director firstly sees the original painting, then the painter creates and gives him a different painting, and the museum director, after he checks it out, he finds it is fake. Then the painter paints a new one, and the director checks it and says that it's real. Then the director gets a better magnifying glass. As a result, he finds out that it is fake. One real application of GANs is NVIDIA. DLSS stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling. So how does NVIDIA use GAN? NVIDIA uses GAN training, wherein natural networks learns to convert low-resolution images into high-resolution ones by comparing its output to ultra-high-quality reference images. During gameplay, only the trained network is used to generate realistic high-resolution frames in real time, improving performance and image quality. In short, users can style adversarial training concepts, result better visual plus higher FPC.